Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert JPG image to PNG in Adobe Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. In this video, I will show convert JPG to PNG. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now select from find your JPG picture. Now select from any picture. Now click for open option. Now then show the open the file in the JPG image. Now convert the PNG. Now going to try again file menu option, then click. Now select from save as option. Then we show the new interface. Now select from format menu option, then click. Now select from PNG option. Now click. Now select from save as file. Select. Now click for open. Now click for save option. Now click for OK. That is. Now you can see. Then show the JPG image to PNG convert in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for